Hi there, my name is Ryan, and this is a quick demonstration of a voice-controlled agent that's built with the IBM Watson SDK in Unity. So let's jump right in here.
Hi, I'm MacKenzie, a Unity demo for the IBM Watson Software Development Kit.
Hi MacKenzie, my name is Ryan. Can you please change your mode to the diagnostic mode?
Diagnostic mode engaged.
Thank you. What is your status?
I am in mode Diagnostic, and there are 1079 utterances in my transcript log. This session has been active for 25 seconds. Emotionally, I am feeling neutral.
Okay, that's good. You can see the utterances are here. We're logging not only my voice, but also the voice responses, which we may want to mute or flag. For now, we're in pretty good shape. Can you please give me an utterance summary?
For utterance type listen learn, I counted 521 occurrences. There are 147 conversation utterances. There are also 394 dialogue utterances.
Great, thank you. Can you please change your mode to factoid mode?
Factoid mode engaged.
I've got a question for you about the gravity on the moon.
No factoid endpoints are currently enabled. If you enable them, we can do some Q&A.
Okay, well, we'll do that later. Can you please change your mode to conversation mode?
Conversation mode engaged.
Are you able to connect to a conversation endpoint?
No conversation endpoints are currently enabled. If you enable them, we can talk more.
Okay, let's change the mode back to listen and learn mode.
Listen learn mode engaged.
I really like chocolate ice cream, and I really love strawberry ice cream. In fact, I really love all types of ice cream. Can you switch your mode back to diagnostic mode, please?
Diagnostic mode engaged.
Great. Can I do a log query about ice cream, please? Log query about ice cream. Let's try it again. Let's do a log query about ice cream.
For focus keyword ice cream, I counted 27 occurrences, and the sentiment was very positive.
Well, that's great. Let's switch our mode back to listen learn mode, please.
Listen learn mode engaged.
I love ice cream. Ice cream is the best around. I wish I could eat ice cream all day. Now, please switch your mode back to diagnostic mode.
Diagnostic mode engaged.
Okay, and can we please do another log query about ice cream?
For focus keyword ice cream, I counted 32 occurrences, and the sentiment was very positive.
That's great news. Can you please echo, hello?
That's great news. Can you please hello?
Echo, Ryan is here.
Ryan is here.
Repeat after me.
After me.
Repeat 1, 2, 3.
123.
Right. Let's open the voice box, please.
My voice is my passport.
Can you please increase the frequency and pitch of the voice box?
Voice traits have been modified.
Great, let's do it again. Increase the voice box frequency again.
Voice traits have been modified.
And on voice box, increase the rate, please.
Voice traits have been modified.
And one more time, increase the rate on the voice box.
Voice traits have been modified.
Great. Reset voice box, please.
Voice traits have been modified.
reset voicebox.
Voice traits have been modified.
There we go. So that's a demo here. We've got our logs in here. We're logging our conversations. Just the basic Unity. We've basically jammed in text-to-speech and into the speech-to-text example streaming that's available by default out of the asset store. And here's the code here. It's a bit rougher on the edges, but gets the job done in this case. Most of the code and the conditional logic that's in here has been put in after the on-recognized speech, and we're keying off the results field. So whether we're getting final, certain keywords are driving us into the major forks that you've seen here around the diagnostic, factoid, conversation, or listen-learn mode. So I hope you found this a little bit interesting, and I'll post the code in the GitHub repo. It's still a bit rough around the edges, but hopefully you find some of this interesting. Thanks for your time.